Good morning. Let's convert metric system to metric system of measuring length. So let's start from the larger unit to smaller unit. km stands for kilometer. hm stands for hectometer. dam stands for decameter. Then m stands for meter. dm stands for decimeter. cm stands for centimeter. And mm stands for millimeter. Now, let's convert 5 kilometers to meters. Okay, ang gagawin lang natin ay we're going to use the movements only. So, let's count how many movements from kilometer to meter. So, from here, km to m, 1, 2, 3. So, the same process po ang gagawin natin. Copy 5. Then, 3 movements to the right. So, 1, 2, 3. Since walang number na nakalagay, ang gagawin natin ay we're going to add 3 zeros. So, 1, 2, 3. So, the answer here is 5,000 meters. So, from 5 kilometers, ang magiging sagot niya ay 5,000 meters. Next, number 2. We have here 13 meter. Ko-convert natin siya sa centimeter. So yan, same process po ng ginawa natin kanina na through movements from letter M. We have 1, 2. So 2 movements po ang gagawin natin going to the right. So copy 13. Same process, 1, 2. So add 2 zeros. So the answer is 1,300. So from 13 meters, ang makukuha nating sagot ay magiging 1,300 centimeter. For number 3, what if ang given natin ay may decimal? Let's have 2.5. Halimbawa, decimeter to millimeter. So yan, may decimal po tayo. So same process po ang gagawin natin through movements, dm to m. So we have here 1, 2. So kapag may decimal, write muna natin ang 2.5. Kapag may decimal, ang start ng movements natin ay sa decimal point. So, meron tayong two movements kanina dito. So, ang gagawin natin from decimal point, dalawang movement po. This is 1, 2. So, itong decimal point na to, mapupunta na sa dulo. So, instead na 2.5 decimeter, ang magiging sagot natin ay 250 millimeters. Naintindihan? Okay, for number 4, what if the given is 35.72? Then, convert